Certified Information Systems Security Professional and Blockchain. Securing distributed ledgers certification in cybersecurity not only validates a professional's knowledge and skills but also demonstrates their commitment to staying updated with the latest security practices. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification is a globally recognized standard in the field of information security, demonstrating expertise in designing, implementing, and managing secure IT environments. Cybersecurity professionals with Certified Information Systems Security Professional credentials are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to address complex security challenges and protect sensitive information from potential threats. Blockchain technology and distributed systems. Blockchain technology revolutionizes the way data is stored and shared across distributed systems, providing a secure and transparent platform for transactions. By utilizing cryptographic techniques and network protocols, blockchain networks ensure the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data, enhancing security measures in digital transactions. Securing distributed ledgers with Certified Information Systems Security Professional expertise. Certified Information Systems Security professionals play a crucial role in implementing security measures in blockchain networks, safeguarding data privacy, and enforcing secure communication channels through the use of identity management, digital signatures, and secure coding practices. Certified Information Systems Security professional experts enhance the protection of blockchain transactions and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information, enhancing security measures for blockchain networks as blockchain technology continues to evolve. Certified Information Systems Security professional experts focus on implementing advanced security controls, threat modeling techniques, and secure configurations to enhance data protection. By incorporating security frameworks, risk analysis methodologies, and security best practices, Certified Information Systems Security professionals strengthen the overall security posture of blockchain networks and prevent potential cyber threats. In conclusion, the integration of Certified Information Systems Security professional expertise with blockchain technology is essential in securing distributed ledgers and maintaining the integrity of digital transactions.